don't know.
What a beautiful cake.
Yes, but keeping all that powdered sugar from falling off will require a steady hand. I'm happy to carry it out if you like.
Thank you, but it's a royal tradition for the steward to bring out the cake.
And what a great tradition that is. After you.
Careful, Baileywick. I'll get the door.
And now it's time to open the Jubilee gifts. This one is from the Kingdom of Wei-Ling. Oh, what a marvelous vase! So beautiful and delicate. We will treasure it always. Thank you.
Oh, that one's from me. It's a gift fit for a king.
Why, this is even better than last year's statue of you.
Your Majesties, may I present the Royal Jubilee birthday cake of Enchancia?
This ought to be good.
Dad!
Allow me, Your Majesty.
Well, I suppose there's only one thing left to do. Your Majesty, I'm afraid I can no longer serve as Castle Steward of Enchancia. I humbly offer my resignation.
No!
Well, I don't accept it. I won't accept it. You've just been working too hard. All you need is a little rest.
A vacation, perhaps.
I wish it were that simple, but I've embarrassed you and destroyed your royal gifts. I'm afraid it is time for me to retire.
You can't quit, Baileywick. Don't let him quit, Dad.
I'm sure whatever's wrong will pass. And you can't leave us right in the middle of the Jubilee.
But that's why I'm leaving, so I don't ruin the rest of it.
If it helps, I would be happy to fill in for the rest of the Jubilee, if it's all right with my king.
Why, I think it's a fantastic idea. Then King Roland can see what great service is all about.
But Baileywick, you can't just leave us. We need you.
You're part of the family.
Please stay, old friend.
Thank you, all of you. But I think this is for the best. Farewell.
Check your local TV listings for full episodes.